Hey guys, welcome back in Creat Bangla YT, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply make this grab system and a physical grab system plus push. You can throw this thing, you can push this stuff, and yeah, you can complete your some amazing game, or you can create a something amazing game with this physical or system. Okay, this called that grab, drop, and push system in Unreal Engine. Okay, so I create this system in Unreal Engine 4, so you can also use the same thing for Unreal Engine 5. So let me show you that how you can create. So first of all, I created a third person template. So in the third person template of my third person player, I add a static mesh. So go add component and search that static mesh, and you find this that is static mesh. So add your static mesh. I just give it name that following object or holding object. I just give it to my following camera under or the category. So at my holding object, I set a simple static mesh, and I set this size is 0.2 by 0.2 by 0.2. So one is done, I add a simple array component with physical construct. So you can find this that physic, and if you search that physical, you find the physical construct. Okay, so here just add the physical construct. So one is done, you find like this that a physical construct component, it's look like that. So you need to just set up something that just call some, you find that angular limit, just click on free, and then add the linear motor, set it to this, make sure that your every box is ticked, and set the strength to 1000, the vectority that tick and 100 strength. Then second that angular motor, then same, then twitch, and then you find the twitch and swing that turn or enable, then same that set the vectority to twitch and swing and 1000 and 100. Okay, so make sure that you set up this thing. Then after then creating this thing, you need to go through event graph. So at the event graph, you need to create some function that like that. Just click on function, you find like this, and just call first function that getting object, second grab object, third drop object. So add your getting object. So you need to find add like this that following camera, that get world location, then get forward vector, then from the forward vector just need to add by multiply by float vector or a float value. So at the float value, you need to set it to 1500. Then from the return value, just add vector, and with the connected with add vector, just connect it with your add point. Then the object types, you need to set it to make a area. Just from here, set it to make area, and you find the physical body. And the duration, I set it to draw by debugging type duration. Okay, so one is done. So as you can see, I have some return value. So just click on your getting object, and here at the output just click on a new parameter and just call this one that heat result, second one heat, and set the boolean type to heat result, and you find like this that heat result, and just select like this. So once it's done, you need to just return value with your heat and heat with your heat result. Just compile and save, then come in event graph and set up your getting object with your, you can also use a like that left mouse. Okay, you can add like this that press on release. Okay, it's basically very simple, nothing very critical. From the heat you need to search a branch, and from at the heat result then you need to get your grab object, the grab object function like that. And at your grab object you need to just simply from your grab object you need to add a output that heat result. Okay, just set it to a heat result. So from the heat result you need to break down this thing, just set it to break, and one is break kind of like that, break or break heat result, and just click on this arrow and you find like this. So from that just set your holding, or sorry, just get your holding, and the from holding set the world location and set the location to a import or the impact point location. So one is done, I get the same that physical construct, just get your physical construct component, and from there search as set con, and you found like this that set constraint. Okay, and then select connect it with this thing. So add the components, the first component, as you can see this is the first component with your heat actor, oh sorry, your first that component with your holding object and the bones will be empty. Then second component will be, it will be your hit component, and the bones it's your second bones. Okay, so one is done. Just get your holding object. From the holding object you need to set a world location and set it to a sphere. So you can add a sphere that where you want to hold your object, like where you should want to your object will be stay. So for that, at here that I just get shaper world location and connect it with my new location and say they have a object. Okay, it's a basically a boolean. So then just connect it with your hit result with your grab object, so it will be work. So second we need to drop this thing, so just go to drop. So at the drop it's basically very simple, that just get your physical construct. From the physical construct just search that br and you find that way construct and just add with this and then set your boolean to false. So that is the basically this setup. So at the release just connect it with this. So yeah, it's basically very simple. And then you need to add some, you know, cubes or any type of geometry and make sure that geometry, the geometry is enabled by simulation physics or it will be not work that simulation physics, and make sure that generate collision and make sure it should be a physical actor, not anything else, or it will be not work. So as a result you find like this, that when you go near of any or when you just click on your grab system or just click on left mouse, it will be, you can see a line trace by channel and the line trace by channel. After that you find like this, your this is a fully physical, and then you can grab this thing and hold this thing and drop anywhere. Okay, so yeah, then you can go jump and do anything. Okay, like that, and just grab and just you can make some problem solving system in Unreal Engine. Okay, yeah, so I just hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Coding Bangla YT, and I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you have requests you can comment in my comment box. I must try to give you the reply. Thank you so much and bye bye.